Ayun, nanalo. Yun, chamba. Yun, chamba.
That was iconic! Hindi lang jurados, kundi pati yung mga tao rito nagtayo. She did it so effortlessly.
Yes.
Standing still and I was like that, as if like there was no pressure and struggle at all.
Hindi ko alam kung saan planeta ka nang galing. Pero you are an incredible singer. I am telling you. Tandaan nyo yung pangalan yan. Carmel Collado. You are incredible.
Thank you po.
Yung pag-awit mo kanina, napaka-explosive, pero cool na cool ka lang. Tapos, ang class mong tignan, it was a great, fantastic performance. So,
Carmel! Grabe kang bata ka. Wow. Total package ka, Carmel. Voice, stage presence, charisma, looks. I think you're the next big star.
your singing from the beginning to end, even last week, was superb. Minsan, nawawala na ako ng adjectives para sa'yo. You always consistent with your singing. You perform, you connect. And one thing built inside your heart, I think it's to be a star. So, congratulations.
Grand Fans Plus sa Kitel!
Lahat sila standing ovation.
Nakita mo ba?
Opo.
Pero tama ang background mong bulaklak. Kasi para kang bulaklak na nag-bloom ng napakaganda. Pero ang galing. Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ngayon ng mga hurado sa lahat sila nagkaisa na tatayuan. Kaya hindi ka patapos kumanta, tumayo na sila.
Nakita ko si Yang kanina eh. Tsaka si Yang sumisenyas kanina na tumayo yung balahibo niya. Nakita ko kanina.
Maraming salamat sa'yo.
Carmel, I am so blessed that I get this opportunity to finally speak to you. From the get-go, every performance you brought to this stage has always been authentic and you've always taken risks. And it's great that you bloomed at the perfect time, sabi nga ni Meme. Because man, you owned that stage. You took all the risks. Minsan hindi kami tumataya, alam namin kung hindi kami tumataya. Pero ito, damang-dama ka namin, girl, Carmel. You brought it. Congratulations.